If Wyoming rejects your LLC application, you're losing weeks and $600. Here's the 4 reasons why it happens. Here's the problem. Most rejections happen in the first 48 hours and nobody tells you why. Check your EIN applicant name matches your articles of organization exactly, character for character, or Wyoming rejects it in 72 hours. Use a street address for your registered agent, never a P.O. box, or the Secretary of State sends it back within 24 hours. Wyoming Secretary of State processes 14,000 LLC filings every month in 2026. When your application lands with even one mismatch, name error, or formatting issue, it gets flagged and rejected within 2 to 5 business days. You lose the filing fee, you lose the business name reservation, and you start over from scratch. A Colorado founder filed in January 2026 with a typo in the organizer signature block. Wyoming rejected it in 36 hours. He refiled correctly and lost 11 days total. This is exactly why we built Bastion Formations, to catch these errors before the state ever sees your paperwork. Most people fail here. They use their personal name as the LLC organizer but then apply for an EIN under a different responsible party name. Wyoming system cross-checks every field. When the Secretary of State sees John Smith as organizer but Jane Doe as EIN applicant, the application gets rejected in 48 to 72 hours. You have to match the exact legal name across every single document or you're starting over. Do not assume the state will figure it out. They won't. Step 1. Verify your LLC name is available in Wyoming's database before you file. Search the Secretary of State Business Entity Search at sos.wyo.gov. If another company already owns your exact name or a confusingly similar one, Wyoming rejects your articles in 24 hours. Bastion Formations runs this check automatically for every Wyoming LLC filing. We form your Wyoming LLC for $249, which includes formation, EIN application, and registered agent service for the first year. No hidden fees, no surprises, and we catch name conflicts before you waste the $100 state filing fee. Step 2. Use a physical street address for your registered agent, never a P.O. box or virtual mailbox address. This is important. Wyoming Statute 17-28-101 requires a physical street address where legal service of process can be delivered during business hours. If you list a P.O. box, the Secretary of State rejects your filing within 48 hours and you lose the entire application. Bastion Formations provides a compliant Wyoming registered agent address at 30 North Gould Street in Sheridan for $99 per year, included in the $249 formation package. We receive your legal mail, scan it, and upload it to your secure dashboard within 24 hours of arrival. Here's the problem. If you file with mismatched EIN information, you're triggering a 90-day IRS review cycle on top of the Wyoming rejection. The IRS sees the LLC name mismatch, flags your EIN application as fraudulent, and locks your account. You can't open a U.S. bank account, you can't get a payment processor like Stripe, and you can't file taxes. One UK founder in March 2026 lost a $40,000 client contract because his EIN was stuck in IRS review for 11 weeks after a Wyoming rejection. When you refile after a rejection, attach a cover letter to your new articles of organization. Use this exact wording at the top of the letter, word for word. To the Wyoming Secretary of State, this is a corrected resubmission following rejection notice number. Insert your rejection notice number, dated, insert date. The previous application was rejected due to, state the exact reason from their rejection letter. This refiling corrects that issue. The organizer's signature is, your full legal name, the registered agent address is, full street address, and the EIN responsible party matches the organizer name exactly. Please process this application under the original business name reservation if still valid, or confirm name availability upon receipt. Thank you. This letter cuts reprocessing time from 7 days down to 3 days because the state examiner sees you fixed the issue. Or skip all this and let Bastion Formations handle your Wyoming LLC filing from day one. We've filed over 2,400 Wyoming LLCs for non-US founders in 2026 with a 100% acceptance rate because we check every field before submission. To the Wyoming Secretary of State, this is a corrected resubmission following rejection notice number. Insert your rejection notice number, dated, insert date. The previous application was rejected due to, state the exact reason from their rejection letter. This refiling corrects that issue. The organizer's signature is, your full legal name, the registered agent address is, full street address, and the EIN responsible party matches the organizer name exactly. Match your EIN applicant name to your articles exactly. Use a physical street address for registered agent. Bastion Formations files your Wyoming LLC for $249 with 0 rejections. If this saved you weeks, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit bastionformations.com to form your Wyoming LLC the right way. Visit https://bastionformations.com.